The last lunch. It was lunchtime at school. All children were opening their lunch boxes, sandwiches, fruit, and juice. But Huda sat quietly. She looked sad. Her friend Lena asked, "What's wrong, Huda?" Huda whispered, "I forgot my lunch at home and I'm too shy to tell the teacher." Some children nearby heard her and started whispering, "She has no food, poor girl." Huda looked down and felt tears in her eyes. Lena quickly stood up and said, "Stop it. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, a Muslim is the brother of another Muslim. He doesn't wrong him or look down on him." Then Lena opened her lunchbox, cut her sandwich in half, and gave it to Huda. She shared her juice too. The teacher saw what happened and smiled. She said, "Lena, you showed us today what it means to be a true Muslim sister. You protected your friend, helped her, and respected her. Being a Muslim means you never hurt, ignore, or mock another Muslim. You stand beside them, share what you have, and make them feel safe and loved." That's what Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us. A Muslim is the brother of another Muslim.